To put it in the right way, we do manufacture all the weapons, use it and test it in the proper and safe environment. Just like that, all the Python developers use a safe environment called PyCharm. There we can test all the programs we create using Python. Goody here with another video to install PyCharm IDE community version 2022.3.3. So guys, trigger all your browser simply by searching PyCharm, click the first link of JetBrains and hit the download button. I suggest all beginners other than the Python developers just download the community version as a package. Once done with downloading, directly use the terminal and go to the downloads folder, extract all the files from the package. Use the command that I have given as tar-xf to extract all the files from the package. Yeah, this may take some time. Go and grab a coffee. Once it extracted, open the folder and change the directory to /bin, which is already in the PyCharm folder. And there you can see a file called pycharm.sh. So look for pycharm.sh file and run it with /. Once you run this installs and runs the PyCharm into your machine. In the end, you will get the right interface to work on all your Python projects. So all the best and use a PyCharm community version to enjoy Python from here. I feel this might help you. Bye bye.